Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make bookmarks on Chrome. First, navigate to the web page you wish to save. Look for the star icon located on the right side of your address bar. Clicking this star is the initial step to creating a new bookmark. This simple action will open a small window, allowing you to customize your new entry. Once you click the star, a small pop-up box appears. Here, you can give your bookmark a descriptive name, making it easy to find later. You also have the option to select a folder where you want to save it or create a new one. This helps keep your saved pages neatly organized. Click Done to finalize adding your bookmark. To manage your bookmarks, click the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of Chrome, then hover over Bookmarks and select Bookmark Manager. In the Manager, you can create new folders to categorize your saved sites. You can also easily drag and drop bookmarks to rearrange their order or move them between folders, ensuring everything is exactly where you want it. You can quickly access your bookmarks from the Bookmarks bar or through the Bookmarks menu. If you're signed into Chrome with your Google account, your bookmarks will automatically sync across all your devices, so they're always available wherever you go. This seamless integration makes your browsing experience much more efficient. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to enhance your daily routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.